Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to share your calendar in Outlook. So if you want to share your calendar or your schedule, meeting schedule or event which you have saved in your calendar and you want to share with your manager or one of your employees, so what you have to do, first of all, just log in your account. So when you log in your account, here you will see calendar options. Okay, now just click on calendar. Now you can change the month. Okay, so if you want to change send the September month calendar or share the September month calendar, just choose from here. Okay, and now what you have to do, so as I want to share this one. Okay, so now what I have to do, here you will see share option, share a calendar with others. Just click on it and here you can enter the name. Okay, so as I want to enter the name here or email ID, so just enter the name and then after that here you will see options, share options. So just click on share and the calendar will be shared. So like this you can share a calendar in Outlook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.